The best ironing board covers. For an effective and hassle-free ironing session, we have brought a list of the best ironing board covers to help you choose the right one. These board covers come in different designs and sizes and are designed with high-quality, durable materials. Most of them are silicone-coated or scorch-proof, anti-slip, and have features that allow easy and fast ironing of clothes. We have reviewed several products to help you make an informed decision, so watch on to learn more. Number 1. Best waterproof and stain-resistant silicone-coated ironing board cover by Epica. If you are looking for a highly durable ironing board cover, then the product by Epica will not disappoint you. The cover measures 15 inches by 54 inches and could be a perfect fit for most standard pressing or ironing boards. A scorch-resistant cover, the product also comes with an anti-slip fit for faster and better pressing of clothes. What we like: secure fit with elasticized 360 degrees edging and adjustable Velcro tape straps. Hook and loop. Reflects heat faster, ensuring a quick pressing. Waterproof, stain-resistant. Comes with thick padding. What we don't like: the quality may not be up to the standard. The padding may wear out after a few uses. Number 2. Best non-slip ironing board cover by Easy Iron. This product by Easy Iron makes ironing quick and hassle-free. With a dimension of 15 inches by 54 inches, the heavy-duty premium cover fits not only standard, but also large ironing boards with ease. The cover comes with extra thick premium cotton padding to better reflect the heat for faster pressing of clothes. What we like: non-slip and secure fit with elasticized edging. Easy installation with bungee cord type drawstring. Scorch-resistant and stain-resistant. What we don't like: dimensions may not be the same as advertised. May crease while ironing the clothes. The quality of the padding may not be up to the standards. Number 3. Best durable reflective silicone ironing board cover by Gorilla Grip. As the name suggests, this ironing board cover comes with a silicone coating for optimum performance. The cover measures 15 inches by 54 inches and has been designed to fit a wide range, from standard to large, of ironing boards effortlessly. The silicone ironing board cover reflects heat, thereby cutting down the time taken to iron. What we like: highly durable with ultra heavy-duty premium thick padding. Scorch-resistant, anti-slip fit. Firm fittings with elasticized, bungee type edges and Velcro straps. Needs no fasteners. What we don't like: may not resist stains marks effectively. May not be as durable as advertised. Number 4. Best hassle-free installation ironing board cover by Dalykate. The iron board cover contains a premium quality stain and scorch-resistant outer cotton cover with 6 mm extra thick padding and a 100% pure and breathable inner cotton layer. Ideal for standard, full-sized iron boards. The cover measures 15 inches by 54 inches. It also has a premium elasticized skirt to keep the cover firmly fitted to the iron board. What we like: nose pocket design for hassle-free installation and secure fitting. Comes with foam and synthetic fiber sewn-in padding for an enhanced experience. Contains a set of 4 additional elastic fasteners to create a smooth surface for pressing clothes. What we don't like: padding may not be as thick as advertised. May seem a little overpriced. Number 5. Best heat and scorch-resistant ironing board cover by Tivit. Unlike other iron board covers, the product by Tivit comes with silicone and aluminum-treated top layer for effortless, wrinkle-free, and quick ironing. The cover contains 3 layers of extra thick padding. That includes a protective Alumitech overlay, a foam layer, inner, and a felt padded layer, bottom. Manufactured in Italy. The durable iron board cover measures 10 inches by 32 inches. What we like: Alumitech treated, heat-reflective top outer layer, 3 adjustable fasteners, Velcro elastic straps, and pull bungee cord. Adjustable for better grip and fittings. Spill, heat, and scorch-resistant. What we don't like: may not fit most standard iron boards as advertised. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.